oval. Saan ilalagay ang oval? Very good. O, yung circle. Get na yung circle. Kunin na ang circle. Oh. Very good. How about the triangle? Triangle. Sige, lagay na ang triangle. Heart. Ang heart. Where's the heart? Heart. Yan. Ano yan? That's the flowers. Saan lalagay yun? How about the flower? You get the flower. Saan yan lalagay? Saan? Yun. Ang stars. Ang stars. Nasaan ang stars? Stars. Stars. Across yan eh. O, yung stars, di mo makita? Ayan, o, lagay ng stars. Ayan. Ay, yung cross. Yan. Ang square. Get the square. Oh, where you will put the square? There. Very good. How about the flowers? Oh, you put the flowers there. Beside the heart. Very good. There's 2 more left. Oh, you get that one. This one. Where will you put this one? Where will you put that one? Ayan. Very good. Oh, you put na. Oops, nalaglag. Lagay mo na, dali. Saan mo lalagay yan? Diyan. Oh, very good. Oh, one more left. Here. There. There. Meron pa. Ayun pa. Oh. Saan mo lalagay yun? Oh, you get na that one. You get na that one. Then you put na there. Dali. Saan yan lalagay? Saan? Saan yan lalagay? Saan? Anong labas? Hindi lalabas. O, lagay mo na dito. Aba na, galit na.